Almost done at the job site. That door was replaced 2 days ago. Me and Jeff and Steven. That's the 4-panel door. Took the old one off. They're all in the garage. That one Steven and Jeff replaced yesterday. That's also a 4-panel door. Here's all of the bullshit and stuff that we took apart, and old doors, wood, plywood we cut for the sides of the windows to put, because they wouldn't fit, molding and stuff, all this crap. Those are all the windows we took off today. And I'll show you guys the other one real quick. I want to show you the whole house, but so they're getting that one done, and then that window right there is brand new.